In today's video we will see how to create template. Okay, like some templates are already available here. While clicking on new, you will see different templates are already available there. But suppose you don't have any template. Actually, while in interview, when you go for the interview, they will give you by setting none. In such case, how we will create the template, we will going to see now. You just click on the none. Okay, you will see this pop up. Here is imperial and metric. In imperial, it means the dimension will be in feet and inches. In metric, you will see in meter. If you want in meter, you can click here, but I want in feet and inches, so I have clicked on imperial. Now after this, you can select a wall. Take this rectangle. You can give 10 feet height, and you can create the rectangle. Okay, after drawing this wall, you can in rectangular only you can create template. Why only in rectangle, I will tell you after some time. Okay, after drawing rectangular, go in view, click on this elevation. You can see elevation is here. Click on the elevation, place here this side, and this side. Okay, now if you want to change this elevation, you can load the template. For that, you have to go insert. You can see here load family. Click on the load family. You will see annotation is there. You can go in annotation, or if you go in Autodesk, there you will see your rabbit. Open, go in library, enter. You will see annotation here. Click here, and you can select any which you want to annotate. Suppose I select this one. Open. The elevation has been all loaded. Now select this one, go in edit, elevation tag, click here. You will see here. Click on this, apply, okay. You will see the elevation has been changed. If you want another, you can click here, load family, you can select any you want. Okay, click this one, edit, click here, you will see square arrow, apply, okay, you will see. If you want to change this one, click on edit, go here, select this one, apply, okay, you will see different elevation. In this way you can change the elevation icon. And now, yes, I have told you that you can use only rectangular, because let me tell you, the region. Suppose I got this one. No, take this one, name, take the name. Okay, select imperial. And you think that you will directly go to view and select the elevation. When view and select this elevation, you will see the direction is not changing, all are in the same direction. If direction will not change, then creating template is meaningless. So to make template, direction must be changed. Okay, that's why we are using rectangular to change the direction. Suppose we take wall 10 feet, take the rectangle. Okay, go in view, take the elevation. You will see automatically it will change the direction. You have nothing to do, it will automatically placed in proper position. Okay, if you want to change this icon, you can go in insert, load family. You will see annotation. In annotation you can take any. Okay, select this one, go in edit, select this one. In this way you can change the elevation. In this way you can create or make the elevation template. In this way you can make the template. Thank you for watching the video.